for the entrance of our honorable guests, district candidates, and party nominees. Let us all welcome the chairperson of the Moro National Liberation Front and Papa President, Minister Dato Muslimin G. Sema. Let us all welcome the Chief of Staff of BAF MNLF Batch Bomber, Dato Doc Jocolano. Papa Secretary General, Deputy Speaker Ansfar Usman. Papa Vice Chairman for Western Mindanao and MNLF Vice Chairman Hatibil E. Hasan. Let's have the Deputy Chief of Staff for Mainland BAF MNLF Faisal Dato Randy Caron. We have the Vice President for North Central Mindanao, Dale Alexis A. Banda. And our MDIT Minister, who is also anak MNLF. She will be accompanied by Joguan Isdaji, the son of M. Ambel. From the province of Tawi-Tawi, Ansfar H. Usman. From Maguindanao del Norte, we have Kiram G. Anggal. Amlula M. Serrabo. From the province of Basilan, Abdul Rahman and Jovel. And from Cotabato City, we have Norma A. Dalamban, Tali D. Andal, G. Tali, and Jafar M. Mama. Once again, from the province of Basilan, we have Hazar Ahmad. From Maguindanao del Sur, we have Deng Salipata. Cotabato City. For the 2nd District, Madato D. Datumano. For the 3rd District, we have Muslimin G. Sema. For the province of Basilan. And for the 4th District, we have Monarch Iblu. For the province of Maguindanao del Sur, 2nd District, Dato Ido M. Uma. For the province of Lanao del Sur, for the 1st District of Marawi City, Abdulaziz P. Macabango. Second District, Jamal A. Bayabao. And for the first district, Marawi City, for the province of Lanao del Sur, we have Kuya Sultan Abdulaziz Barazar Bakalamon Jr. We would like to request everyone to please rise. Followed by the Philippine National Anthem, the Bangsamoro Hymn, and the Emerald Hymn to be led by Pipito Haji Jordan Ayub Oksa, Syria.
اللهم أعز الإسلام والمسلمين اللهم أعز الإسلام والمسلمين وأذل الشرك والمشركين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم اجعل اجتماعنا هذا اجتماعا مرحوما بك واجعلهم رحمة على رعايهم اللهم ارزقهم البطانة الصالحة يا رب العالمين اللهم علم قلوبنا كما علمت قلوب المهاجرين والأنصار برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم ارزقهم بطانة الصالحة التي تدلهم على الخير وتعينهم عليه وتحذرهم من شر وتبعدهم عنه يا رب العالمين ربنا
bayan ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
to be led to us by Pipito Haji Jordan Ayub Oksa, Syria.
Awitin natin ito. Bangsamoro gadami maman kanu kay pinagso agama Islam so kapamlalim sa kita no mga tao lumalapo wagip sa kunanay sa kandaludaya palawataw dadsan pawas kadatalan sukandalo daya atau paguburan Bangsamoro gedam imaman kanu kay tinagso agama Islam suka pamlalin sa kita nuno mga tawal walabo wagig sa gunana imbunwat tanu wagig sa gunana imbunwat tanu wagig sa gunana imbunwat tanu Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
of the Bangsamoro Party.
Pagkakaiba ho ng Bangsamoro Party sa mga ibang partido, kami ho ay may klarong plataforma de gobyerno. We have a clear platform of government. As you can see in the poster, sinasabi namin, one people, one homeland, and one strong self-governance.
Ang Bangsamoro Party o BAPA ay isang partidong pampolitika na nauugnay sa revolutionary organization na Moro National Liberation Front o MNLF sa pamumuno ni BAPA President at MNLF Chairman Muslimin G. Sema. Ang BAPA ay nilunsad sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon noong January 8, 2022 na ginanap sa Camp Ibrahim Dato Udin Sinsuan, Maguindanao del Norte. Ito ay naglayong suportahan ang pamahalaang Bangsamoro at makilahok sa kauna-unahang parliamentary elections sa FAR na ito'y napapaloob sa RA 11054 o ang Bangsamoro Organic Law o BOL na magtatag ng bagong autonomous region sa FAR dito sa Mindanao na nagbibigay kapangyarihan sa mga mamamayan nito na mamahala sa sarili batay sa mga kasunduan sa kapayapaan. Kasama rin na magkakaroon ng kauna-unahang parliamentary election na mamimili ang mga Bangsamoro ng kanilang political party at member of the parliament o mga representante ng kanilang mga distrito ayon sa naturang batas. Sama-sama tayo, suportahan ang BAPA, ang partido ng mga mujahideen, ang partido ng Bangsamoro, ang partido ng lahat. Dahil sa BAPA, lahat kasali.
Sa Bangsamoro Party, lahat tayo ay kasali. Sumama na kayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host, Dato Yasir Arafat Bangsawan and Siti Haira Basaros.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
A pleasant day to everyone. Welcome to Bangsamoro Party Regional Convention.
Starting, let us hear the welcome remarks of our Chief of Staff of Bangsamoro MNLF Bats Bombard, no other than Sir Datul Dok Jukulan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Inumahanap ko na yun sa speech sa mga, hindi ko pambatian. Sulong kita siapa sadar panai kam ketua makuliangan ko. Na commander na din paguliangin. Ya importante siya na nakinabulong tanong niya na panalamatan ko sulang naka kalinguma siya. Kanya pa makana na taratato panakil bumutsun tatag pala. Nanyabay kalinya namin sa dalpanya no mano nanyabay tatapon tanong na sukay sa Moro National Liberation Front, chairmanan, pagkutayan tanong na chairman, mana si Datumos Sema. So, lang ng mga commander sa siya, gangili ko pamuskano, so pula matuadan. So, mga state chairman, niya importante siya na iba na. So, koyak tano, kanunganin-nganin, programa, nung MNLF. Kaya sa mga malo ko lang kayo panitimpo niya, ka na makabilang niya, mabagay sample siya. Mabiyay katanggonin. Sa kuna niya, na malo sa mga aming katanggaw, aming kayo, kakuha na, digit pachamel. Yanin man na masalay ka batuanin, ipinangalan tanong na siya, convention, bapa. Yanin na niya inipera na sukay sesa, nadabong mo siyang pag-iingin. Siya sa kapag-ingat. Siya po taman, ya importante, nga panalamatan ko sa kanong kinauman mo siya, sa ingat namin niya. Pagkapakasan di ka ba yan? So, niya sa barangay namin yan, Langon, official sa barangay niya siya, MNLF Langon. Mga kagawanan. Siya po taman, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Di ko rin kandunin talong, kamalaki pa yung talo.
Thank you so much for that very authentic and meaningful message to from our Chief of Staff and Bangsamoro Armed Forces of Moro National Liberation Front and also Barangay Chairman of this barangay at Tamuntaka 5, Cotabato City, no other than Sir Datong Doc Jocolano. Okay, without further ado, let's now have the opening statement or giving of the rationale to be given to us by the BAPA Secretary General,
Deputy Speaker
Asfar Usman.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. My courtesy and respect to our beloved Chairman of the Moro National Liberation Front Central Committee, Dato' Muslimin Sema. Of course, the Vice Chairman, the Deputy Chief Minister Hatim El Hassan, the Secretary General of the Moro National Liberation Front, Otto Salim Kutan, the Vice Chairman of the MNLF Central Committee of North Mindanao, Papa Alexis Malna, sorry, and other leaders, of course, Inspector General, Dato' Randy Caron, the Deputy Speaker of the Bangsamoro Transition Authority Parliament, and other members of course, Papadok, thank you for welcoming us in your beautiful barangay. Kausbaug of the Moro National Liberation Front. Alam po namin, had it not because of the Moro National Liberation Front, wala tayo lahat dito sa occasion na ito. At wala tayo dito sa Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Kung may nagsasabi na wala
ang isang organization dahil wala ang BARM dahil sa isang organization. Lalong-lalo na po, wala ang BARM kung wala ang Moro National Liberation Front. This is the lagay sa ating mga puso ang Moro National Liberation Front. Not even the Bangsamoro Party. Not even the Bangsamoro Party. The BAPA. But because of your support and love for the Moro National Liberation Front. National Liberation Front. Nandito lahat, inakdalis na kanina ang mga state chairman ng Moro National Liberation Front. Bakit po? Inibalang po natin ang pamamaraan para makuha natin ang hula bangsa agama. Para makarating tayo sa paruroonan kung ano ang pinagsapahan ninyo noon, mga rival ng ating isang inono ng Moro National Liberation Front, si Papa Jimmy Labawan ng Davao. Thank you. Support, Papa, na dumating ka. And dahil dito, nandito tayo dahil sa sinasabi po namin, pagmamahal namin, gusto natin ituloy ang ipinaglaban ng Moro National Liberation Front. Nag-iba lang po tayo ng pamamaraan. Kaya dapat kung ano ang ginawa ninyo noon, lalo natin i-push ang gusto natin mangyari sa Bangsamoro. Tinaya natin ang martabat natin, tinaya natin ang kakayahan natin sa Moro National Liberation Front. Dito mismo, this is militarily, by arms. But because of our acknowledgement, of our participation, of our sincere participation in the peace process, nag-join po tayo sa BARM, nagtatag po tayo ng Bangsamoro Party, pero ang wag sana po natin makalimutan ang mga kapatid natin, ang mga military natin, ang mga state chairman natin, ang mga elders natin sa Moro National Liberation Front. Hindi po pwede magsasabi si Aspar Osman na hindi naman po nakatulong ng isang putok sa laban na siya nang magde-decide sa Moro National Liberation Front. Dapat din po ang mga leaders na to. Wala pong karapatan si Aspar Osman na Secretary General ng BAPA na anuman ang posisyon namin sa BARM na mag-decide kung ano ang gagawin ng Moro National Liberation Front at ng Bangsamoro Party. Ito po ang mga leaders. Kaya po, dahil doon, nandito po kami ngayon. Wala pong natira. Only Allah, it's of course Allah, and the Moro National Liberation Front. Yun na lang po ang tinira namin. On that note, dahil sa nag-join na tayo, nagtatag na tayo ng political party, we have to abide by what the Commission on Election is telling us. I am telling this na mayroon tayong legitimate support, legitimate supporters, warm bodies of the Bangsamoro, na hindi ito picking political talk. Matatag ang aming paniniwala na marami tayong taga-suporta dahil membership pa lang sa Moro National Liberation Front, marami na tayo. Establish ang lahat ng that this is a party that is to be reckoned with. Kailangan wag niyo po kaming maliitin ang Bangsamoro Party. Hindi lang po ang BARM kung sino-sino ang nagkiklaim ng BARM. Wala pong agreement kung walang triple agreement. No one has the monopoly of ownership of the BARM. Kaya isasauli by September 14, isasauli ang desisyon sa Bangsamoro. Sa ating mga kamay. Kalaki, ganyang kaganda. Ngayon, for 7 years, hindi po MNLF ang nagdala. Pwede po na ba natin tanungin ang sarili natin, pwede ba tayo dyan? Tayo ang mamuno dyan sa BARM? Sign of our sincerity. Nag-participate ang buong leadership sa eleksyon na to. Tinaya natin ito. Kung may paniwala kayo sa leadership, kailangan natin mamuno sa BARM. Nandyan po ang chairman natin. Tatakbo po na walang iba po, ang asawa po ng ating chairman, si Antibay Sandra, magpa-participate. Meaning wala po, tinaya natin lahat. This is a sign of our sincere conviction that we want to support this party. We would like to respectfully acknowledge the arrival of one of our guests in this occasion, no other than Father Norberto Gonzales, Secretary Norberto Gonzales, and his personal capacity, personal support to the Bangsamoro Party. Thank you very much, sir, for coming. And of course, he is accompanied by one of the stalwarts of the Bangsamoro Party, Kaka Rolly Solano. Secretary Norberto Gonzales. Palakpakan po natin. Alhamdulillah, sa panawagan ng MNLF leadership, pinaunlakan natin ang araw na to. Medyo malayo-layo, na-traffic tayo dahil sa karamihan, pero just because of our conviction and intention to show our support to the Moro National Liberation Front under the leadership of Dato Muslim and Sema, we came here. Nandito tayo ngayon. Nasabi ko na po kung bakit mayroong political party ang MNLF. We signed the Tripoli Agreement. We accepted the arrangement that there must be an autonomous region, an autonomous government in southern Philippines. We signed the 1996 peace agreement, and we supported the CAP signed between the Moro Islamic Liberation Front and the government of the Philippines. That is again a sign na sincere tayo sa usaping pangkapayapaan dito sa Bangsamoro. Kaya nagtatag na tayo ng Bangsamoro Party. Tayo ang kauna-unahan na register sa COMELEC. Again, that is a sign of our acknowledgement that the MNLF, kahit nandito ang mga military commanders natin, ang mga state chairman natin, in fact, again, ulitin namin, this is a message dito sa camp, sa Parod din, na sa pangunguna ng Chief of Staff ng Bangsamoro Armed Forces, inheld natin ang convention na. In fact, he is the barangay captain of the place. Kung ganon, while hindi naalis sa atin ang maksud natin, ang hulabang sa agama, pero inibalang natin ang pamamaraan para makuha ito. Na kayo na ang bahala. Kung gusto nyo mawala ang MNLF, mawawala ang baba. Kayo ang sumapa, kayo ang nagsapa. Ako ano lang ako, konti. I am a partial law baby. Mga anak natin, mga anak namin, para sa Moro National, para sa Bangsamoro Party and the Moro National Liberation. Kung nakaya nila na maghimagsik sa paraan na alam nila noon, yun lang ang alam nila para mapakinggan. Kung nakaya nila na naisakripisyo ang pag-aaral nila, naisakripisyo ang kabuhayan nila, naisakripisyo ang pamilya nila, panawagan ko sa mga kabataan ngayon, tayo pa kaya ang di natin pwede sakripisyo ang boto natin, ang oras natin sa pangkapayapaan na proseso tulad ng eleksyon. Para lang hindi mawala the continuity of our struggle in the Moro National Liberation Front. In my personal capacity, Babamos, mga elders po namin, sasapa po kami ngayon in your init na rin po ang katawan namin. The more magsalita kami, inshallah ta'ala, we delivered the message. Marami pa pong magde-deliver ng message at na-discuss ko na po ang purpose kung bakit mayroon tayong Bangsamoro Party, isang homeland, isang gobyerno na may malasakit din sa tao. Isang genuine self-governance Bangsamoro. Yun po ang pinaglalaban namin doon sa Bangsamoro Parliament ngayon. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikumussalam. Takbir! 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 Thank you very much, sir. Deputy Speaker Isfar Usman, Papa Secretary General. And now, let us go to introductions of Papa District Representative candidates, party nominees, and sectoral representatives.
Okay, for Cotabato City, we have our former Deputy Speaker and now the Member of the Parliament, Attorney Omar Yasir C. Sema.
Also from Cotabato City, Sir Michael A. Udi.
We also have Sir Dimasalang A. Jocolano.
Also Danny D. Andan.
We also have Haja Yobay S. Jocolano.
We also have Junicio B. Abanilla.
And also Rodrigo A. Aviles.
We also have Norma Dalamban.
We also have our political nominee for Cotabato City, Luz Biminda A. Halo.
And our Member of Parliament from Cotabato City and our nominee by Ali S. Caro.
My fans. Okay, we also have from Maguindano del Norte, our political party nominees. Number 1, Nagib D. Solano.
Members of Parliament, Faisal G. Caron.
Also have Noraline M. Ragundo.
We also have Kiram G. Angkal
We also have Orlanito R. Benito.
and Razia M. Mama.
For Maguindanao del Sur, we have Bailani G. Abdullah.
We also have Jehan Langkuno
We also have Tarhata T. Manalasan
and Teng Salipada.
and Maludu Kasla.
For Lanao del Sur, we also have Abdul Jabbar A. Mamuklo.
We also have Sir Dali A. Manla.
We also have Alvin M. Benito,
We also have Alimsar G. Tayo.
Ambrola M. Sirabo,
Jafar M. Mama.
and last but not the least, by Alabi H. Batuas.
For the Basilan, we have
MP Hatimil E. Hasan,
of course, Muslimin A. Jokila
Abdul Rahman and Jovel,
and Hazar M. Ahmad.
and Mariam T. Habib Hussein.
For the province of Tawi-Tawi, we have MP Asfar H. Usman.
We also have Kamrudin Salahuddin,
We also have Rudy M. Sakanda.
Mariam X. Juman,
Last but not the least, from Tawi-Tawi province, Ma'am Bibi S. Aki.
from Special Geographic Area or SGA, we have Dato Ido M. Indaya.
We also have Ma'am Soraida A. Matala.
Okay. From the district representative candidates from Cotabato City,
For Cotabato City 2nd District, we have Mandato Digdado Mano.
Muslimin Gisema for 3rd District,
For Basilan 1st District, we have Abubakar Kutan.
we also have Attorney Khalid Hassan for 2nd District,
We have Khan Hasadan for the 3rd District of Basilan.
we also have Munar Ibno from 4th District,
For Maguindanao del Sur 2nd District, we have Dato Indo M. Upang.
we also have Nasir Dalgan from 3rd District,
And Aladin Dedna for the 4th District.
for Maguindanao del Norte, we have our former Congresswoman Bai Sandra A. Sema for 4th District.
For Lanao del Sur, we have for 1st District Marawi, Abdul Aziz A. Macabaho.
We also have Jamal A. Bayamao from 2nd District.
For the 6th District, we have Taha Sharif Guro.
From Tawi-Tawi, 1st District, Nagdir A. Sangkula.
For the 2nd District of Tawi-Tawi, we have Al-Nahada S. Dalagan.
And last but not the least, from Special Geographic Area, the only one, Dato Haris Piang for 1st District. Now, we will proceed to the sectoral representative. We only have one sectoral representative, and that is for women's sector. We have by Bombayin Carol. Supportahan po natin sa women's sector. Maraming salamat, and yun po ang ating nominees and district representative as well as sectoral representative for the Bangsamoro Party.
Yan. Muli nating ipakita ang palakpakan bilang suporta sa ating mga kandidato for upcoming election.
Yes. First,
Bangsamoro Parliamentary Election. Okay, without further ado, let's hear special messages from our leaders. May call on our Baka Vice Chairman for Western Mindanao and also Moro National Liberation Front Vice Chairman, Hadimil E. Hassan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My courtesy to the Honorable Chairman of the Moro National Liberation Front, Brother Muslimin Sema, our Vice Chairman, Brother Livi Labawa, the Secretary General of the Central Committee of the Moro National Liberation Front, Brother Odu Salim Tutan, our host in this barangay, who is a barangay captain of Tabon Takawa 5, our Chief of Staff, Brother Doc Nicolano, yung mga kasama ko sa mini sa Bangsamoro Party, mga kapatid, State Chairman, and other officials, guests, yung guest natin, our long-time partner in the peace process and in peace and development, Secretary Norberto Gonzales, the head of the PDSP, the Filipino Democratic Socialist Party, the only party that recognizes the right of the Bangsamoro people to self-determination. Our Vice Chairman for Indigenous People of the Bangsamoro Party, Mr. Rex Pablo. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mga kapatid, ang Moro National Liberation Front that has been struggling for the last 60 years is transforming itself to become a political party in order to participate sa first parliamentary election ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao on September 14, 2026. This is a long history wherein our people, the Bangsamoro people, has been struggling for self-determination in the last more than half centuries. Sa ngayon mga kapatid, ang MNLF has organized the Bangsamoro Party in order to participate sa governance sa first parliamentary elections on September 14, 2026. Alam natin, when the Moro Islamic Liberation Front signed the confidential agreement of Bangsamoro, the Organization of Islamic Conference in yesterday moved in order for the two-peace process magkaroon ng convergence. This was after a lengthy talk at the headquarters of the Organization of Islamic Operations in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia in June 2014. Sa convergence na yun, the MNLF accepted the Convention Agreement of Bangsamoro as partial implementations of the 1976 Tripoli Agreement, the 1996 Final Peace Agreement, and the April 27, 19 and the Jeddah Accord of April 1917. Yan po ang mga agreements that the MNLF has signed with the Philippine government, including the 42 consensus points, wherein that it was signed in Jeddah in February 2016, that the MNLF demanded for the full implementations of all the agreements that the Philippine government has signed with the Moro Front, the Moro National Liberation Front, and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front. This is just a little history in order to pave our way in our participations for the forthcoming elections sa September 14, 2026. Mga kapatid, mga kasama kong nomine, we have to work hard to convince our people that the MNLF, after long transformations, has now converting itself into a political party in order to participate in the first parliamentary elections sa 2026. So with that, I'd like to ask everybody to work harder to campaign para manalo ang MAPA party this coming elections. With that, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Deputy Chief Minister MP Katibil Hasan.
Another message is to be given to us by one of our top commanders in Moro National Liberation Front. May call on our Deputy Chief of Staff for Mainland Bangsamoro Armed Forces of Moro National Liberation Front, Deputy Speaker MP Faisal Daturandi Caro.
Bago ang lahat, gusto ko po kayong lahat batiin ng isang maaliwalas na araw, kahit pa naman medyo may kainitan na itong panahon. Pero itong pagtitipon na ito para sa akin ay isang napakalaking bahagi ng ating kasaysayan. So, una sa lahat, binabati ko kayo lahat sa mga kapatid natin, lalong-lalo na yung nanggaling pa sa malalayong lugar na pilit na nakiisa sa atin sa araw na ito. Magandang umaga o tanghali sa inyong lahat. Sa ating minamahal na MNLF Chairman, si MNLF Chairman Muslim Sema. At bago ko pala makalimutan, andito pala yung